Hello kids! On this occasion, we will learn basic mathematics puzzle. How to arrange, add several numbers to get the result.
Well done!
1 plus 3 equals 4. Peekaboo! 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 5 plus 2 equals. Good job! 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 plus 1 8 equals.
Well done!
7 plus 1 equals 8.
'Select your favorite stamp.
Plus 2 equals.
Good job!
10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 2 plus 8. 10.
Well done!
2 plus 8 equals 10.
Wow! Who's ready to pop them with me? Good job!
8 plus 1 equals.
Good job!
9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals.
Well done!
5 plus 4 equals 9.
'I'm hidden in the box. Can you find me?
One plus 5 equals.
Good job!
1 plus 5 equals 6. 2 plus 7 equals.
Well done!
2 plus 7 equals 9.
'Let's have some fun! Jump, jump, jump! Jump, jump, jump!
1 plus 8 equals.
Good job!
1 plus 8 equals 9. 2 plus 3 equals.
Well done!
2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 equals 7.
Pick a sticker.
Well done!
1 plus 7 equals.
Good job!
1 plus 7 equals 8. 1 plus 2 equals.
Well done!
1 plus 2 equals 3.
Good job!
Bye-bye. 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 2 plus 6 equals.
Good job!
2 plus 6 equals 8. 2 plus 5 equals.
Well done!
2 plus 5 equals 7.
Let's have some fun. Release this balloon on the count of 3.
1, 2, 3. Ten plus 1 equals.
Good job!
11. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 6 1 plus 6 equals.
Well done!
1 plus 6 equals 7.